I'm scared
Yeah, like
that
he's performing a little too well.
And for him to now understand a new team after spending so many years at Merck, I think he's not finding it.
And I think the bigger problem is
Canadian GP has to be Max Verstappen because Mad Max is back.
to have a favorite, especially this season. Consider
if McLaren keep winning P1, P2, or they keep going, if Piastri keeps winning, it would be a boring year.
ये diplomatic जवाब नहीं लेंगे.
I mean, we get the legendary status, we get the knighthood, we get the 7-8 time champion, however you want to put it.
Yeah.
But
Because of that, he did a few things that were not right. So he's
गुस्सा क्यों हो रही है
made a
यार?
mistake. I'm just trying to.
she's
be
about to ram into us now.
Max made a mistake, and that made the race very exciting. And I have-
Honestly,
Oh,
the
again?
safety car made the race very
No, one
exciting.
second. Did you realize she accepted it? And then she's like, but look at what he did. He made
Yeah.
it so exciting.
Get the fuck.
Yeah.
I am glad I showed up today.
Hello, guys. We are back, and today we are talking about the.
Spanish GP.
Yes, and if you thought I am annoying and I have too much energy, wait till I introduce our new guest. Yes, we have guests. हमारे budget बढ़ गए, guys. हम नए लोगों को लेके आ रहे हैं. We have guests on our podcast, and today we have none other than Oscar Piastri signed the person who got it, Xerxes.
I don't
दिखा
know,
दो
literally,
अपनी.
I put this in the front. But hi, Xerxes.
So Xerxes, before we let you speak, we will ask you a few questions.
I'm used to that.
Who do you support?
Racing.
Okay, we will
Which is
cut.
which is a favorite team, if you had to frame it better?
Oh my god. I really want Leclerc to win a
नहीं
championship.
टीम बताओ. ये डिप्लोमेटिक जवाब नहीं लेंगे हम तुमसे.
So for you to know, right, when you're on this podcast, while you speak, there is one person who do the major amount of the talking.
Listen,
and will
I've
try to
hung with her
control-
enough to know that there is no point in me trying to speak.
Ouch! Guys, ये
I-
काट देना वरना फिर मेरे comments आ जाएंगे.
नहीं, आने दो.
I'm just
थोड़ा
an
तो-
additional tripod in this point, holding a coffee mug.
Okay, sorry. Go on. What's your team? The reason I cut him because I know he's a diplomatic POS. So
POS?
yes.
Piece of shit.
Piece of shit.
We said it together. Fuck.
Yeah.
I am glad I showed up today.
That too for free.
Exactly.
Yes, the
dude.
budget that has increased is
He's only coming in.
यहाँ पे जा रहा है.
हाँ. Okay, okay, how long? Like, just like give us a little.
Okay,
I know you
I
for
want
years.
Ferrari to win. I want Leclerc to win. I want Hamilton to have his 8th championship. Alonso to win one. Verstappen's probably gonna take nothing this
Shit.
time. And I want Piastri to win because McLaren have been struggling but have been shining very well. I mean, struggling last year but shining this year. And I just want to piss off Himeka and Russell. I want George
working.
Russell to continue being on the third podium every time. Like, he does nothing, but he's just there. P3 reserved for George Russell. Now I think it's shifting to Leclerc slowly. But yeah, basically, I would like to see Hamilton take his actual
So you're a
eighth.
Ferrari fan? Can I summarize it as you're a Ferrari fan?
Yeah, man, you can. But it's not a good time
Red
to
Bull
be a
India.
Ferrari fan.
See, I know Xerxes for a while, and I know that you've been like a.
You know, it's
you've
very.
been
I'll
a
tell
Formula
you
One
what.
fan.
I'll cut you off this time.
Yes, of course you will.
See, it's very difficult to have a favorite, especially this season. It's not diplomacy, it's fucking honesty. It's so difficult to have a favorite this season because everyone, like, I want Hajar to
See,
win.
I
Like, I want
understand
Bearman to have a good car and get back to
But
what
you
he's
can't
capable
be
of. Like,
Jagat
I
Baba, na?
genuinely enjoy watching, like, Verstappen, you give him a bullock cart and he'll fucking take it to the podium.
Yeah.
The
Honestly,
point
it is hard to choose a favorite, but
Yeah.
you know we always have that one person.
like,
that
there are
we
the
want
soft
to, like,
spots
support.
created everywhere. See, Leclerc looks pretty, so he gives the hard spot. And
Give us your top 5 then.
अरे
Like,
भाई
no,
साहब.
just
चल,
be-
give us a top three. Three is okay.
because he has no one team. He has many teams. so-
correct.
I think that's all of us. Like even I'm not a Leclerc fan, but I cried when he won Monaco last year.
But with
It's a
you,
feeling.
it's 90% Max, 5% McLaren, 5%.
No.
25% Norris.
No, yeah, I will do my percentage, guys. Thank you.
Okay,
so
But
so-
we're not coming to you. We're on Xerxes
I
right
guess we're
now.
starting
much.
with
Oh,
that.
fuck yourself, boys.
Yes,
Let's get
we
to
shall.
Xerxes.
That's all we can do. Okay, top 5 for me. Hamilton, Leclerc, Hajar, Verstappen, and Alonso.
So 5 different teams also and 5 different
Nosca, Piastri.
drivers.
Piastri though is winning it. Like, bro, I got his
So he's
autograph
basically
from
saying
Melbourne.
that
like
they are
I
right
want,
on top.
I
I
want
will
the
move on from this because this man
Underdogs.
has not given me a single answer of who he supports because he named like 18 different drivers and there are only 20.
Just
So we
name
will move on from that. Thank you.
See, I was
Thank
showing
you,
off that I
Xerxes,
know all the drivers,
for not
okay?
giving us any clarity. We love that. We love a queen who doesn't give us clarity. Go off, queen. Gaslight us. Okay.
She's in her mood. She enjoyed the race so much. She's behaving like Max Verstappen.
Thank you, guys. So now we know we'll never see Xerxes again. But enjoy it while
Hi,
it lasts,
Max.
Xerxes.
That's what
Okay.
she said.
That was a
But,
great comeback, dude.
Moving on, there's like, I don't want to do like a lot of chit chat because
Also, it's a podcast.
there's so much that has happened on the race.
I think we should begin with Max.
You mean what
That's-
Emeka did in the
that's-
car yesterday?
I think that's like the hot topic, right? So we begin with Max. Give me no, we start with Max.
Please.
Okay.
चल, ठीक है, 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 ठीक है.
Okay, no, we'll do it at the end. No, we'll do it at the end. We'll do it at the end.
It is the hottest topic
Okay.
right now.
So
Hot take.
so give me your honest view on Max.
Me?
Would you still back him for what he did?
Okay, so
Don't be diplomatic, huh?
for people who don't know, because this episode will of course release later, today is Monday morning, and
Afternoon.
as of now, Max has already posted his. He has posted a photo after his race where he's mentioned that the frustration and the last pit stop, it changed into a hard tire, got him very frustrated because there were like no right calls, and because of that he did a few things that were not right. So he has already accepted his mistake, which I feel is a very mature thing coming from Max, if you know what I mean. Like, because I honestly didn't expect him to say anything, because even yesterday
He
at the
didn't say
press
anything.
Yeah.
he was
Post-race,
like,
he
I
said,
don't
"I
want
have
to talk
nothing to
about
say
this,
about
it."
I
Yeah.
don't want to say. He's been very he's
Fair,
been
fair.
very Max, but for him to come out today and be like, listen, there are few things happened and I did some things which were out of frustration and I'm really sorry.
Probably it's his PR team who's guided him properly.
He didn't say, I'm really sorry.
Max has always had a PR team, and Max has always been like, I don't want to listen to you, and that's honestly, I love that about him. He does
But
what
this
he
time
thinks
probably
is
he's
right.
listened to them.
No, this time I think he's accepted it.
Did
But
he
let's
post a
just
video or was it a caption?
let's just see. No, it's a caption. Let's just say that he's accepted it, because he has done innumerable things in the past where he could have written the same caption and he hasn't. So if he has,
But I
would
think-
like to
But
take
you know,
that.
I think there's a fun thing that came out of it. F1 driver of the day.
Max
Verstappen.
Verstappen. Yeah, we saw that. We saw that. We
We
saw
will-
that.
We will get
Yeah.
to that. But I also want to take into account about Red Bull's fuck up last race.
What would you
Because
have done when he
I
came in
will
for the
tell you.
fourth pit
I
stop?
will tell you. When Max came for the fourth pit stop, his mediums were only like 10 laps old or something, right? 10 or 12 laps old.
Yeah,
He
because
did
he's
not-
just- yeah.
He did not need to pit. And if Red Bull knew that the only option they had were hard tires, and it's a race restart with only 7 to 8 laps had to go, hard tires is not the right way, because it takes around 6 to 7 laps for it to warm up. So that was a wrong call on Red Bull side. Number one wrong call, and number two wrong call was when they asked Max to give George back the position, where Max mentioned that he was ahead in the apex, and he was like, I don't want to give it back, and he's like, no, we think it's right.
Advice.
And later stewards said that there was no action taken for that one, because he did not need to give that place back. So those two things I feel really costed Max a lot. And yes, his own frustration also cost him a lot, but I understand where that comes from, because we can judge a lot from outside the car where we are seeing, but when you're inside the car and you know you're in the right and your team asks you to do something, of course you're going to get frustrated. And I understand that, yes, there were things that he did not do right, but again, he's accepted it. He said, yes, I agree that I've done something wrong, and for me that's enough, because bro, you're driving at 300 kilometers an hour. If you don't have adrenaline, then you're not human.
No, so my question was, what do you think Max did right or wrong? Just give me
As
one
I
answer.
said, there was a reason for everything, and he's accepted that he's
He
done the
says,
wrong.
I'm the diplomatic one.
Yeah, no, but I want to know yes or no.
What?
What he did was
I'm
right or
telling
wrong?
you, he accepted he did it wrong.
Yeah,
Yes.
but I want to
Do
hear
you
it from
think-
you. What do you think?
I'm not driving. Why should I be answering?
No, but Ari, you're a Max fan. Come
Yeah.
on.
Okay, fair.
Yes or no?
See,
One word. Say it.
No.
Come on.
All I
Please,
will say
do
is,
it.
All I
Let me
will
guy.
Sing
say,
around the apex.
I will say if you let me talk.
Okay, okay.
All I will say is being a Max Verstappen fan is not for the weak.
Oh,
Is
really?
all I
Try
will
being a
say.
Ferrari fan.
Is all I
Yeah.
will say. See, ठीक है यार. Okay, you know what?
तो गुस्सा क्यों हो रही है यार?
made a mistake. I'm just trying to.
She's
be
about to
Max.
ram into us now.
Max made a mistake, and that made the race very exciting. And I had-
Honestly,
Oh,
the
again?
safety car made the race very
No,
exciting.
1 second. Did you realize she accepted it? And then she's like, but look at what he did. He made
Yeah.
it so exciting.
See,
Yeah,
Ma-
but she wants
honestly,
him to have the
guys,
credits.
I love Kaleshi Max. I'm not joking. मुझे बहुत पसंद है Kaleshi Max.
For
जब
all of
Max
you
कलेश करता है
who were
ना,
on a broadcast last night while the race was on, she was yapping and yapping as to what Max is doing. Now she's saying otherwise. But normally, from what you saw
I
yesterday,
slept over it ना. Now I'm not pissed. Now it's just
Don't
Maxi.
lie.
Now the PR
Now it's
guys
my
advised
Pookie
her
Maxi
otherwise.
यार. And also यार देख, had he not, I was ready to give shit to him today, as if he's listening. But I was ready to give him shit today. But on my way here, I saw him post that, and I was like, that is very unlike Max to even accept that he's at fault. And if he's doing that, I'm not gonna shit on him anymore.
so for all of you, the answer to my question is she thinks that Max was wrong. That's right. You said it, right?
Hungry, man.
Max was wrong, but he
Yeah.
did a good thing and entertained us in
okay,
return.
okay, fine. You know what? I won't be Xerxes. Max was wrong. He made a mistake, but he also owned up to it. So I think I'm
She's
not
still
gonna-
adding the
why,
butts.
why you at him, dude?
The
He can
butts
take
are
his own
still
stand.
coming.
Huh?
He can take his own stand. He doesn't need you to cover up.
What?
What?
Like you're always
Max is
backing
not
him.
coming to give you cover up.
Yeah, so
Relax.
exactly.
I have to be there to cover it up.
So my point being,
Everybody's
hi
shitting on
hi
me.
या
I
ना में
hate
बोल
it.
देना.
It's like these are the FI and I'm Max Verstappen. The fuck?
No, but हाँ ना में बोल देना.
क्या
Yes or no?
बोलूं मैं?
Tell ना. Be honest.
Yeah, of course. It's very Max like thing to do.
It still seems like some level of it's
This is
okay.
ragging at its best.
I think guys, मैंने गाड़ी चला रही थी. ठीक है, मेरे दिमाग मत खाओ.
कितनी बार बोलेगी वो?
Shut up.
Yeah.
But again-
what about George?
Okay, yeah. We will.
Your views on
We will
George?
go from there, but I want to.
You are
also
more for
hear-
Max? बस हो गया यार.
यार क्यों यार उसकी बीटी लेके उसको बस कर दिया. रुको
No, but
भाई, रुको
I
बात
think
कर.
we
2
like.
minutes we more. 2
Okay,
minutes
sorry,
more we'll
sorry.
talk
Add,
about
add.
Max. Okay. Okay. Having said that, having made the thing, I want
The
to
bug.
ask. I know you guys are Ferrari fans, so आपको ये लोग Max was missing. But again, another thing that later Max was not given a like neither Charles or Max was given a penalty. The one where Max and Charles
Collided.
rammed. Whose fault do you think that was?
I mean,
बताओ अब क्या हुआ? Ferrari fans क्या हो गया? मजा
I
नहीं आ रहा?
don't
It wasn't
know.
Charles.
खेलने का मन नहीं कर रहा?
I don't
Oh.
know if it was
बता तो
anyone's
रहा हूँ.
fault.
आवाज कर रही है.
I mean, the common factor between that collision and Russell's collision was again Max Verstappen.
Yeah.
Just saying.
And nothing was on purpose.
I just,
There
I
was
just
no-
wanted to say that
I
to
will
your
cry.
face.
I
just
will
wanted
cry
to say
now, you
that.
guys.
Oh, she's actually tearing up. Oh shit. इतना मत ले दिल
नहीं
पे
guys,
यार.
मैं रो
इतना दिल पे मत ले यार.
ताकि कोई मुझे shit ना देना फिर comments में.
See, the thing is that what happened with Charles and Max is that it was
Honestly,
right
it was
after.
nobody else's fault.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Max
Like it
just
was
went
just
off,
racing.
yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, I think the biggest problem in this
And the
was the hard
no,
tires
but
on Max.
That though, yeah, it was very hard on him.
Yeah, it was hard.
Also
But the
the-
best part is the part where after the safety car start, the second corner, Leclerc's gaining and he waited for the finish line to fucking cross him. That was cinematic as fuck.
When?
After the safety car, when Leclerc caught on to Max Verstappen, he waited till the finish line.
Yeah, because that's where the safety
that's
car ends,
exactly.
right?
So
Yeah,
he
yeah,
waited till then and then zoomed off.
yeah. And I love how Max...
And Max almost
He-
spun
he-
out.
yeah,
he almost
he
spun
didn't
out
have a,
over there.
Start only na.
And
Max.
I love how Max never... like, what Max would do to Russell, he would never do to Charles. And that's so cute. I mean, this Max and Charles on a thing is so cute.
I don't
I
know
think
about
those
this,
two
tell me
are
more.
very different
Max and Charles
situations
have been
also.
racing for a really long time. And if you like, I've seen a lot of videos where Max races everybody differently than Charles. Like he has a slight soft corner for Charles.
even
because
I
he's
have the
grown up.
same, like-
And I understand that, but you know, growing up together, racing together, like now, how yesterday we all know Max was not pissed at Russell. Max was just pissed at the situation.
At the
Yeah,
tires.
And
yeah.
then But all I'm saying is, if it was Charles behind him and not Russell, he would have not barred into it. Because Max and George have this. You remember?
No, it's- I think-
remember all I could think of was George's last year's interview. He just lashes out
But
when
it's
nothing
not-
works according to him. I was waiting for something like
But
that
it's
yesterday.
not even a Max and George thing. It's just a George thing. Like there is something about George
Yeah, he
Russell.
comes in
George
those
gives
situations.
me
Like-
George gives me very key smack me in the face.
Like,
vibe, you
yeah,
know? I
and
wanna
we don't
smack
know
him
why.
whenever
He's a
I
sly.
see him.
He's a sly guy.
No, he's a smart guy. He's cunning.
He's
And
cunning,
He's,
yeah, he's a
he's
cunt.
there, right
Cunning is
place,
the right
right
word.
time,
Yeah.
and he doesn't take any unnecessary attention to himself. He's
Actually,
like,
he's a
fair.
cunt. He's not a cunning. He's a
and
cunt.
you know, and at the Melbourne Grand Prix, right? Like when you walk onto the track after the race is over, the podium's done. Out of nowhere from the pits, Russell comes and starts waving at people, and there was just this collective aura of everybody being like, "Why is he here?" and he had this smile on his face, waving at everyone from the other side of the glass in the pits, and they were like,
ये क्या कर रहा है?
Q, what's happening?
"No, how did you come third again?"
But dude, Russell needs
He's
to
been
be studied,
consistent
man.
and
He's been
how?
Like,
consistent.
even-
I think
We talk
this
about him
race
every week.
and the last, something's happened to Mercedes in terms of their car. Because of
actually, go on. Sorry.
which I think they're not able to like.
Yeah.
get
To
back.
add to that, I think it's not just Mercedes the car; it's Mercedes the engine, because Aston Martin is also facing a similar problem. It is the Mercedes engine,
that's-
which was spoken about yesterday also during the
Yeah,
race.
I
There's
heard
something
that.
wrong that they keep, like, even with
Kimi.
Kimi Antonelli yesterday, that's 2 DNFs in a row, and none of them are his fault.
His fault, yeah.
And that's
went off.
yeah, it's kind of sad to see that. But
Fair.
I mean, something
Oh, yeah, I
problematic.
forgot to.
Talking about problematic
High
Mercedes
success.
engines, I just want to mention Lance Stroll. I just found some very interesting information on
Yeah,
my
please,
way here.
please give us
Fun
that also.
fact with Himika is that. Okay, so apparently I wasn't there, so don't come at me. Or you can, like, I won't listen to you.
We'll sue them anyways.
Yeah. So apparently, Stroll got so pissed off in Q2 on Saturday that he went to the garage and he started breaking things, and possibly, and he was also pissed because Alonso finished before him. That, oh, क्या तुम्हारे पापा नहीं कर सकते इस बारे में कुछ?
नहीं कर सकते,
Stroll.
सिर्फ पैसे देंगे.
But yeah, he was so pissed that he started throwing things in the garage, and that could possibly be the reason that he had a wrist injury on Sunday and he couldn't drive.
So are we getting Djokovic to come back?
Okay, another thing, Dragovic. The thing with Dragovic is that initially he was gonna be racing for the Le Mans. Both of Aston Martin's reserve drivers have been racing in the Le Mans, and now with the whole Stroll wala thing, till yesterday nobody was available. So we thought maybe a Bottas or someone might come in, but as per today, Djokovic has mentioned that he will give F1 more priority than his Le Mans, which makes sense because poor guy is waiting in the garage for 3 years. I've been seeing him for 3 years just looking at the cars waiting for when he's gonna drive, but that man just never gets a chance. So I actually hope that Lance Stroll can sit one race out and we can see Drogovic and see what he has to offer, because that poor guy hasn't been able to even drive for one fucking race, and he's been waiting. Like Ollie, uske baad aaya, Ollie has a seat, Kimi has a seat, all these people, Hajar has a seat, these people have come now and they have a seat. Drogovic has been waiting for 3 years and he doesn't have a seat. So I really hope that he can get a chance to do it. But as of now, yes, if Stroll doesn't come in, it is going to be Drogovic, and I am praying for him, man, because like it's sad because when you're an
Praying for
F2
who?
driver,
Praying for who?
for
Drogovic.
Drogovic,
I
yeah.
thought for Lance Stroll to come back.
No, he can go break.
He
some
can take a
few more
stroll.
things. But yeah, I feel it's a very tough sport, man. Imagine
Yeah,
there are only
fair.
20 seats in the world, and you can't just be there on purely merit. There are other things like
Yeah.
20 seats in the world. Can you understand the ratio of that? That's
Yeah.
crazy. We are 8 billion people in the world, and in a space like that for 3 years you're waiting because the owner's son just wouldn't give up his seat. If I were
Probably
him,
he
I
wants
would
to
just kidnap
I think
Lance.
he probably wants to maybe doesn't want to drive, but it's his pop who's like, bro, you got to do it.
Lance
I
ko
think
dekho na
you
if
know what
see him.
in these dads have a dream that your son should be something, and because you have the money, you want to push your child to press him and ask him go and do this.
But
I'm giving
how
you
many
everything that you
years,
can.
man? He's
Now
been there
that's
since
another
fucking Force India.
that's another
Force India से free seat है उस बंदे के पास. Yeah, Force India has been how many years? 8 years? 9 years?
Much more.
Fucking 9 years you have. You haven't done anything. People like Perez who got a Force India from P20 to P1 doesn't have a seat. And you are there, just hanging. I mean, no hate to him because I understand if I would have that seat, I wouldn't give him up either. I wouldn't give it up either. But the thing is, it's just unfair, but that's how the game is. At the end of the day, it is a business. At the end of the day, there are going to be favorites. At the end of the day, you just have to suck it up or just start doing Le Mans as Drugovich is doing. So, yeah, I really hope this turns out well for him because moving from that, because I feel Alonso might leave end of this year. मेरे को पता नहीं इतनी strong सी feeling आ रही है ना that I feel
Like
Alonso
leave
is,
the team or retire from F1?
I feel retire
Why?
because I'll tell you. Firstly, there's nothing happening for Aston
him.
Martin and for him
Yeah.
because I know Adrian Newey hasn't been working on these years car, but he's still supervising. You know, ऐसा नहीं कि उसने बोला मैं करूँगा ही नहीं. He's still supervising a little bit because now he's not under contract anymore with Red Bull, right?
Yeah.
But even after that, you see so many issues with engine, so many issues with everything. Like, imagine it's the 8th race, and this is the first time Alonso has come into
Points.
He's a world champion. And even yesterday, the amount of overtakes he did was
Till he locked up. in
crazy.
Spa.
He was trying, yeah.
So many. And even after that, like, the car is not going anywhere. And a person like Alonso, like, he is only there because he wants to win his 33rd race. And that is not looking very possible. And next year, all the regulations
Regulations are
changing.
going to change and
So
the
uske
engines are
baad
going
to
to change.
it's going to be a level playing field again. There is
Yeah.
no DRS next year. There's a lot of changes. Cars are getting smaller. Tires are getting bigger.
Batteries.
Either he's gonna stay
He'll
one
stay back
more
to
year
see, yeah.
and see how it is,
With-
or
yeah.
but I don't know why inside me I'm feeling like he's just gonna be like, you know what, this is not worth it, because he's so upset every race. That man is so upset, so sad. He's not a P9 driver.
Yeah.
He is a P4, P5 driver at the least. And talking, that's my point. Do you think Alonso's gonna stay, or do you think he's gonna?
I think he should. I'm not sure as to what he's going to do, but
Of
I think at
course.
least 1 year he should stay with the new rules coming in. Try and see, because I think next year almost every car will be the same, right? So that's the point you'll come to know as to what the driver can bring to the table. So I think maybe he should stay 1 year, try and see as to what happens, and then probably we'll see.
I'm still slightly positive about Max to Aston for some reason.
Max to Aston. Okay.
But
Looks like he slid into her DMs and told her something.
Well, he slid into a lot of things. Maybe you'll never know.
maybe you don't want to know.
Yeah. He slid into Kelly Piquet. That's how they have a child now. Thank you.
We're not saying anything, guys. So
Yeah.
what about Ferrari, guys? Where are we on Lewis Hamilton? Where are we
Sir.
on Charles?
You guys are
Sir
the Ferrari
Lewis
fans, so
Hamilton.
you guys go on. I'm gonna.
Nothing.
No,
Ferrari-
but you won the red and you've come, man.
Yeah,
So I'm sure
actually-
you're
Oh, I
happy
get
for us.
preference because of
I'm
that.
sure you're happy for us.
Yeah, I'm very sad for Lewis. Like, I never thought I'll say this, but dude, yesterday he was crying when he got out of the car.
Actually, I don't know if it was like just getting his sweat off, or was he
No.
actually
You
crying?
don't.
or the media
You
is
don't
just
get your
making it-
sweat off like this.
But he didn't do like this. It was in the helmet,
Yeah,
so you could
I
barely
think it was
see.
this.
Dude,
So
I've
now-
never. No, he's crying.
What I
telling
actually
you,
understand about Ferrari and Hamilton is that I don't think it's a bad car. I just
Yeah.
feel he hasn't gotten used to it, and he's not having
haven't
a great
figured
time.
it out
Yeah,
yet.
he's
Yesterday
not
Yeah.
Ferrari
having a great
only
time.
got fucked because of strategy. I am sorry, guys.
And
that's
no,
every race.
Yeah, that's every race. I
they
just
didn't
feel
need to pit. Okay, sorry. Go on.
I'm just saying, when you come to a new team, right, you want that you want to feel
Camaraderie?
happy when you're racing. I think that hasn't come to him yet.
Yeah.
I think he wants to be in a good space. He wants to have that environment that he had at Merck, and for him to now understand a new team after spending so many years at Merck, I think he's not finding it.
And I think the bigger problem is Ferrari is still not sure who's the number one driver.
Guys, I
Because
think
they keep swapping in the race. Like their team radio is so entertaining. See, the only reason you're a Ferrari fan is because it's entertaining. Like you will feel things in a race where nothing's happening, but Ferrari radio will give you something to talk about at the end of it because
Something
drama, right?
Yeah.
Like something or the other.
Yeah.
And the number of times like swap positions, swap positions, swap positions, swap positions. Like decide who's your priority.
I'll tell
like
you what they're trying to do in that is, I think Ferrari now understands कि हमें drivers championship नहीं मिलने वाला.
constructors.
Yes, I
or
can,
something.
but
So
by the
they
way.
are, I know, drivers
That's
championship,
WDC, correct.
not constructors.
Correct.
They know for a fact that they are not going to win the WDC. So they are trying to figure out whoever gets them more points for
points.
their WCC works. When Charles is on newer tires, Charles overtakes. When Hamilton is on newer tires, Hamilton overtakes. I don't think they even care about who the first or the second driver is.
That's
they
the
only
problem.
care
I
about
think
winning.
that's a bit of a
no, they
problem.
don't care because they know they are not going to win the WDC. They are only focusing on WCC right now, and they know that if they match up right now, Red Bull only has one driver, Mercedes engines are failing,
Yeah.
and they have the other driver who's consistent. So they need these two drivers to be mediocrely consistent for them to be P2 in the constructors, which is honestly quite doable. Right now for them, P2 in constructors is very doable because they have two drivers. Mercedes has a decent car, one good driver, and another one is on and off with Kimi. Like when he gets
Kimi
points,
is
he gets
also-
points.
Kimi is good,
No,
yeah,
his car is getting
his car
points.
is
whatever
good.
it is, but
It's not
he-
the driver,
At
please.
the end of the day, he's not
That's
getting
true.
points,
Ha, but-
which is what matters in a WCC, right?
But that's the
so.
car. You said one good driver, one okay driver.
No, one
right?
okay. What I mean by that is one driver who's getting you
Consistently
points,
performing.
and the other driver who is sometimes getting you points, sometimes not, and then on. Other than that, they have a Red Bull where there's only one driver who's doing what he can.
Correct.
So they know this is a possible way for them to win a WCC. Like if McLaren fucks up or if they get a better car, but right now they're only focusing on gathering those points. They do not give a fuck about which driver is ahead and who is not. And I would like to give my 2 cents on Ferrari. I feel yesterday, it's just, firstly, it's really sad seeing how demotivated the drivers are. Like even yesterday, Lewis was asked in an interview that what was the issue? Do you think they will solve it? And Lewis literally said they are not going to do anything. I guess it's all my fault. And then he just walked away. So I mean,
I think
there is definitely
he mentioned everyone was on the same tires. It naturally is. I have no idea why you'd say that. It's the worst race I've experienced. I'm going on it home. That's it. There were proper 6 lines, I think, that he summarized his entire thing on, and then he had a few more.
I was talking about the Sky Sports interview. I think
Oh,
it was a Sky
but
Sports.
I'm just to add to what you said, I think he had these 5-6 lines, and then he
Yeah, he's
finished the interview off.
And even if you look at Charles, that man got a podium, and he was also like, "Oh, do you think you can continue doing this?" He's like, "I don't know," because they are like, "Bro, this is
The
not
vibe.
Because I'll tell you, the team is trying to focus on itself, like you said, for the WCC. The drivers are the ones who got the most amount of attention before the season started, expecting themselves to be the stars of the show.
Yeah.
We all somewhere knew that Hamilton was going to have teething issues in year 1 with a new team.
And that's fair. That's fair.
But there were still so many unrealistic expectations of him suddenly coming in, winning his
Arre,
8th
people are like,
championship,
"Haan."
that there was so much demotivation in the first race itself that it all
Including
trickled down, and
Stalin.
no one's really given Ferrari as a team. Like the team Ferrari right now is the racers. Like it's about Leclerc and Hamilton more than it's about Ferrari.
There is something.
Like they've overshadowed this thing, and the team strategy is just literally trying to put Ferrari in the WCC points
That's
right now.
what. Yeah.
So in the middle of all that Jamela with the drivers, I saw Leclerc at least hasn't showed much of an ego, but Hamilton definitely has a bit of an ego. At least
I don't think
sometimes
it's
he
ego,
does.
man. But for a 8-time,
7 times.
for a 7-time,
Say it. I like to hear it.
for
Yeah,
a 7-time world champion,
That's
when
probably
you're
the
not,
only way we're going to hear the 8th.
for a 7-time world champion, when you're not able to get points, win a race to bhul jao, when you're not even finishing on podiums.
He won a sprint,
Like,
no?
and he's like, sprint doesn't matter.
At least he got 1 podium as Ferrari. Yeah.
But,
Yeah, but it
a real
counts.
podium, I mean.
But say, what's your point?
What I'm saying is ki for like fuck, I forgot. Thank
That's
you.
what
You
I
guys
was
cut me off so
She
much.
has
never cut you
hajar
off. I was
thoughts.
waiting. I
She
was
has
waiting.
hajar thoughts.
Cutting me off. I don't know what to say.
No, but I think at the end, right? I think Ferrari will make a comeback. I'm not expecting much from Lewis this year because you know that okay, chal, it's his first year. At least he'll take probably 1 year to
And
settle
he's
down.
been a star for too long.
Yeah,
At Mercedes, he was clearly the number one
One
driver.
driver.
Everything was prioritized around him, and he was
Correct.
so used to that.
Yeah.
But he's not getting that priority in Ferrari.
Yeah, because Charles has been there, no?
And Ferrari's trying to be fair, but also Charles is Ferrari's golden boy.
Yeah.
But at the same time, Hamilton is everyone's golden boy.
Yeah.
So in the middle of all that, they are completely sploshed. And anyways, their strategy has always been the best in the world.
Yeah.
So now they're just adding to it and giving us entertainment. Thank you, Ferrari. We support you for just that.
Yeah, but I only hope, man, it gets better.
It
for
gets
him.
better, yeah.
At least you don't want to see him at a P6, P7. If he can even finish P4, like because right now I think P1, P2 belongs to the
McLarens.
Miami. Then you have maybe Max coming in there. After
Or a
Max is
Russell.
Yeah, or Russell. Shit, I can't forget Russell. So 4, 5. So sorry, 3, 4 is there. Then maybe 5, 6. Ferrari has to be in that.
Yeah.
At least in
But
between
they've
3 to
more
6.
or less been there only. Like
Yeah.
they're more or less 5, 7,
Yeah.
4, 6.
Yeah.
It's been almost like there's nobody else who's able to come close. And off late, Hajar has been showing Hajar.
He's been quite promising.
Isaac Hajar. He's been showing some potential in terms of coming up and crawling up.
Yeah.
Why does she look angry? Max
no,
messaged him or what?
I'm just like thinking of something.
Yeah,
What happened? Norris.
No, I'm just like looking
Norris
at
saw
my
story.
pointers.
You're just.
I'm just looking at my pointers.
Okay. Do you want to add anything to Ferrari or should we go next? You want to
I
add
think
anything?
no. I think we should just. I
Hope.
just mourn a little, feel sad, get entertained, and then cry tears
I
under
think
a helmet.
Ferrari's their issue right now is not drivers. Their issue right now is some communication problems inside, and it's very visible.
Yeah, that is
with
true.
Things you
Yeah,
can
that is true.
literally see that there's a huge communication gap between engineers, between drivers in the team. I don't know because I really expected Fred to keep the team a lot more. I remembered a gossip. Oh guys, I have gossip. I think by now it's old because जब तक तुम episode release करोगे तब तक सबको पता चल गया होगा. But Christian Horner was asked to come for Ferrari.
Did you make a reel around this?
I didn't make a reel around this, but I did share the information with you on my broadcast, which if you aren't following, you're missing out. Yeah, I did mention about this in the broadcast, but since you guys are not there, I'll do it again. But yeah, there is the huge thing, but I don't think Horner, like Ferrari के owners ही मना कर देंगे
I
कि
think it's
इसको मत
afwa.
लो.
Udti furti.
Afwa. हाँ, but Afwa, since we're talking about Afwa, I have another Afwa that Toto Wolff has still not let go of the idea of having Max in a Mercedes.
But yesterday, bro, he
because
spoke against
conversations
Max.
are still-
Wait, let me give you that bite.
But that's Toto. He's spoken about Max 120 times before. That's just Germans being German.
He said, I mean, if it's road rage, which I can't imagine because it was too obvious, then it's not good. But the thing is, I don't know what he aimed for. Did he want to let George pass and immediately repass? But with put George the car ahead and then like old DRS games, letting him pass the right way. Or for me, it's just whatever. I think this is way too much.
He's
अरे,
still
of
being
course
diplomatic
Toto's-
only.
No, I see. तुम्हारे ड्राइवर को किसी ने मारा है एंड yesterday मर्सिडीज का मेन बॉस वाज इन द गराज
Yeah,
सो
right
इफ
beside
योर
Toto.
मेन बॉस इज इन द गराज and one of your driver has conked off and the other driver is hit by another driver, of course you'll have to say something about it. तुम्हें अपना मुंह तो बचाना है. But at the same time, I have heard Toto say worse things about Max, but now he's being very careful about his words because he knows that there is a possibility that Max will get signed by Mercedes.
In case by the end of the year, if Mercedes can show and probably get Russell or Kimi at least to P1, P2 anywhere.
P1, P2 where? Acha,
If
like a
they
double
can,
podium if they
yeah,
have.
like show Max that
हाँ.
listen, we have a fast car, then you can't rule out
But
the chances
Babu, the
that
thing
Max.
with this
doesn't
is
matter
it
with the
doesn't
car
matter
next
because
year,
next
everything
year
is flat
everything
out.
is new.
That is true,
Yeah.
but I'm just saying.
But
just
see,
for
as per
show him a
Max's
good project.
contract, it's there that if you are P4, like P1 to P4 in the Drivers' Championship by the end of Spain, was it Spain? Was it another race? Next race? Then, as per his contract, he cannot leave the team. So there is something like that also going on where if
in
Max
Max's contract.
yeah, if Max, otherwise ऐसा था कि Max can let go of his team anytime if the team is not performing well. That's why Horner and all were so scared that Max is going to leave until last 2 races.
But now he's open, no?
Right now he's P3 in the championship, so he's fine. Okay, but that brings me to a very interesting question, guys. I
He's
would really
P3?
appreciate if you are honest about this and not because I'm speaking Red Bull.
Mm-hmm.
But
You're speaking
after
Red
looking
Bull.
at Yuki's results and Max's results and whatever, do you really think Red Bull is a decent car? This at least
Listen,
right
it's the
now.
curse of the second Red Bull.
I think they are having an on and off season,
It's
dude.
the curse of the
Okay.
second Red Bull, and Verstappen's capable of pushing any car to its
Yeah, that's
finest
that's
limits.
that's something I
That
figured
is
out.
So
what-
Red
that
Bull is
my
not a good
question.
car.
So
Your
Red Bull
question is not a good car.
Red Bull is not a good car. It's Max who's making it big.
Like-
But हाँ, मैं बोलूँगी तो now they have 80, 100 of you. Keep crying.
No,
It's
I
true.
feel like even if you put Max in a Red Bull,
I'm so pissed at them right now.
no, even if you put Max in a Racing Bulls car, he'll probably win.
Bro, if you put Max in
That
a
is-
Racing
that is
Bulls
something,
car,
bro.
he will win.
Yeah, that's
Racing Bulls is easier to drive than the Red Bull right now.
It's
be
it's
a great
it's a pretty
sideboard.
solid
I
car
would
because
love
if
to see
Hajar
that.
can do that.
Dude, and Hajar is also a very good driver because Liam can't do that. Liam is not able to do that. Hajar is.
But
being able to
Liam's
do that.
performance has improved.
Yesterday,
So,
not
fun
much,
fact.
but yeah.
But overall,
Overall,
he's
yeah.
been
Fun
more
fact.
consistent,
yeah, definitely.
Fun fact.
हाँ, बोल ना.
We've all forgotten about Yuki actually. From the time he was at V Cup,
Yeah.
then the switch that he's made to Red Bull, and now he's like just gone in.
He's
thin air.
blended.
Fun
Just-
fact.
हाँ भाई.
ऐसे जोर से फन बोलेगी तो you take
15
the fun
बार
away
बोल
from
चुकी
it.
हूँ मैं.
No, but you take the fun away from it if
Fun
you scream
fact.
fun like that.
Zaxis,
Be
shut
nice.
up.
Smile.
Fun fact.
Oh my god, no, she's taking them.
Cut,
Say rage fact.
Yeah, ragey fun fact.
Much better.
Yuki has been out qualified by Liam for all the races since he joined.
That
Red
they've
Bull.
switched.
Just letting you know, guys.
That's
We
what
know
we've been saying.
Okay, you didn't know.
Of course they knew. You knew.
No.
Tell her you knew it.
Okay, fine. Now shit on me again. Fucking hell.
But
But okay, Red Bull is done. So you were saying Red Bull is not a fast car. What do you think? Do you think Red Bull is a fast car? Or is just Max this time? Because
I think they're okay, but you have to give credits to Max.
Yeah.
okay,
I think because he's there in the team right now, you can tell that that's the reason they're on top of the grid.
okay, fine.
I don't see because of the car that they're scoring points.
I want to see a Russian roulette round in one of the Grand Prix where they put a wheel of the teams and the wheel of the drivers and they just spin it. And then all the drivers are put into random cars and then we get to see who's really where. Like imagine
That'll be
Verstappen in a Sauber
Bro, okay.
or in an Aston Martin.
So
And
imagine
like, we'll
if
find
you
out what
come
he does
first.
in that.
You get points for yourself.
Yeah.
Plus that team that you're driving for also gets
Get
points.
points.
Wow.
Mental.
I would love to see a round like that.
Dude, we should put everyone in a Sauber. Okay, if everyone was driving a Sauber, who do you think would win the race?
Bottle it.
Who do you think would win the race? I think
Everyone's
it's gonna
driving
be
a
Max.
Sauber?
Yeah, if
Verstappen
everyone's
only.
driving. In short,
Now you
in
never know.
equal-
There is Piastri and
in
Lando.
equal
So
machinery-
If
I don't know.
everyone was driving the same car, it's always going to be Max.
Yeah, please.
End of story. Like I
Let's
think
be
he's the
honest.
best driver on the grid.
Because
I don't know.
honestly,
I still
if you
don't.
put Piastri in that
he's
Red Bull
great.
right now,
He won't
be able to
he
win.
won't make
He
it.
won't be able to make it because last year when McLaren was not that great in the first half, where was Oscar?
Nowhere.
Where was he? Not even in points.
But गुस्सा क्यों हो रही है?
Arey, I'm not.
She's raging today.
I'm not pissed, guys.
You
The
are.
red of the color of the t-shirt is
Just
a reflection of her mood.
Just for people to understand this, I'm half Punjabi and half Bengali. There is no way on earth that I'm not loud.
We didn't say
Well,
anything
well,
about
it didn't
you being
matter.
loud.
Yeah, it didn't matter.
I'm
But
just
ठीक
saying.
है.
Like
You're giving
कुछ
us
I am
कुछ
not-
content.
self
हाँ,
का ही
मतलब
कुछ
वही.
clearance हो रहा है. Stock
सर
clearance.
से तेरे को मेरे साथ ही घर जाना है.
तो क्या हुआ?
More entertainment.
मैं नहीं जा रही तेरे साथ वापस घर. अच्छा okay.
Okay. More peace.
Guys, I'm never calling guests again. I hate this. I hate this. I liked it when I could chat without people fucking my life up.
Listen,
Now
you
also we are
love
like too close, yeah. Like if
So-
it's somebody else, they won't be like this up my ass.
No, but this is what you
I'm not
want.
up
This is what
Somebody
you want.
Yeah, because it's good, no?
See, listen, there was nobody in anyone's ass in the race yesterday, at least. So at least
Yeah,
on our
man.
podcast, we
Yeah.
are.
Fair enough.
Imagine me to be the safety car, adding this closeness into this podcast.
But yesterday, if safety car wouldn't have been there, it would have been such a boring
Yeah.
ass race, man.
Yeah.
But honestly, having said that, dude, Red Bull initially did such a great start with that 3-stop, because I remember before the yellow flag, me and my friend were watching, and I was like, dude, Max has done 3 pit stops and he's still P3. So the way they have, and while all the McLarens and they're
They're
people
all on
ahead
2
and behind,
stops,
they're
yeah.
all 2 spots. Like they're all 2 stops, and for him to go there, like it was going really well for them. I really like now again.
Do
it's
we know
done.
who
Now
took
it's
the
too-
call to go for a 4th pit stop? Was
Yeah.
it Max's call or was it
No,
Red Bull's
it was a
call?
team.
It was team's call, and
I don't think we got the radio
no,
on
no, no.
that.
It is the team's call. Otherwise,
It was
because
called
Max
in
was also like,
because
why
I
did we
heard from the
change? We
comms.
were happy
No,
on Max.
like
No,
We're
he's
happy on
asking
Williams.
like whose call was it? Did he want to go in for a
No, no,
because
no, no.
as
No,
soon as the safety
that's
car
what
came in, he was in.
Yeah,
More or
because
less.
I even what I
why
saw was the
he
comm
in?
saying
Talking
he's been
about
called in.
safety car, guys.
You liked it?
That 2-stop by McLaren, मेरा दिल यहाँ आ गया था भाई.
Oh, the
Like,
back-to-back.
Oh my
clean.
God!
was
They,
clean.
one
Such a
of them
clean-
came
such
in.
a clean
No,
one.
no, no, no. At one point, it was like Oscar की गाड़ी यहाँ है, वो निकला, Lando यहीं खड़ा. I'm like, fuck you, fucked up both their races, guys. What are you doing? And then it happened. मेरा दिल मेरे मुंह में आ गया था भाई.
बहुत
I
flawless
swear.
था वो
Yeah,
कुछ
it was
next
good.
level
It was
unintentional
sick.
flawless.
I was so worried. I knew कि इन्होंने fuck कर दिया. हो गया इनका खत्म game, very good. And by then they finished and Max came it out. I was like,
Like if Max didn't
Fuck.
give us the drama that he did yesterday,
That was the only
that,
highlight.
That highlight would
That
be
was
the
the only
smooth
highlight.
pit stop
Yeah.
transition.
Yeah,
like,
that
bro,
was the-
ऐसा transition तो reel पे भी नहीं कर
हाँ,
पाते.
and वो भी like having cars that are literally like 3 seconds apart from each other
Yeah.
on the track to do such a clean. मेरा
Smooth.
दिल मेरे मुंह में आ गया guys.
Smooth
Fuck,
criminal.
I
was
think
so
eventually now
happy.
people are now looking at
हाँ, मैं बहुत
McLaren.
excited हो गई ना, sorry.
People are
ये
now
अच्छा वाला excitement था.
yeah
Rage कम था, happiness ज़्यादा था. We like it.
more smile also.
Guys, अगर इनमें से कोई नहीं दिखे अगले podcast is probably they are dead and I have killed them.
इसके नहीं
Seeing
वो
it on
obituary photo.
National television, yes, सोनी पे आने वाला है ना ये. Right?
We're not naming any brand by the way, but okay.
Sky Esports, okay? Sky Sports पे आएगा.
I was also saying that I think now we can start looking at McLaren as that team. You know, people
McLaren is
had
cut above the rest. Yeah, for sure.
like people had a perspective about them
Did
that
you
they
guys
are
talk about the liquid in the tires and all that bullshit? There was that
वो तो
whole
हाँ,
हो गया
पुराना
ना
हो
वो
गया.
सब.
Yeah.
I missed all that goss.
अगले
Yeah.
episode में
I don't
आगे
want to
बहुत
talk
बातें करेंगे
about F1 to anyone, you know. Like
Do you guys want to touch on anything else
Yes.
for
Yes.
McLaren?
My lips, so I can stop talking.
why?
No, but you can,
no.
yeah. But
I'm
I
so
think like I saw a lot of stuff on social media that
I've
said
too.
that if McLaren keep winning P1, P2, or they keep going, if Piastri keeps winning, it would be a boring year. But I feel I have other views saying that I would enjoy looking at the Papaya Army keep winning. It's
Yeah.
not like
I
the
mean, let's
last
give
year.
them this year.
Yeah, I
You know
mean
what,
this year
but
should be their
They've been
year.
working
yeah,
hard.
very hard.
See,
Very
Give
hard.
them the year. I'm okay. I have no
Everybody's-
hate against Piastri or Norris, but I want
Same.
Piastri to win the championship.
Even for Mr. Brown, I think for him as
Everybody
well.
is
He's a
saying-
damn good guy.
It'll be great if they win the constructors. And being very honest, they are going to win the constructors because there's nobody with a better driver pairing and a better car.
So
Yeah.
almost a 150-point difference.
Yeah,
dude.
and but having said that, I feel I did get spoiled last year when we saw so many different people winning. It was such a different year. Last year was such a more like it was more level playing, and I think I would want to see a little more of that because next year it's going to be a new regulation. It's all going to be Mario Kart again. But this year, like yes,
Nah,
the
Norris
reason
and the
see
Mario Kart comment.
honestly, the reason I started doing McLaren because I was also getting a little bored with Max's dominance. Being a Max fan and a McLaren fan myself, but
But that was the general sentiment with
yeah,
everybody.
but,
Everyone.
Like,
yeah, but you know what? Now I am at like yesterday. It was so hard for me to support one person because मैं पता क्या कर रहा है मैंने
Acha, so you gave me all that trust for not being
I
able to
will-
be a driver.
I will
and now-
explain. I'll explain why. I will explain why if you let me.
Acha,
हाँ, thank you.
if I let you.
Yes,
So
if
there's
you
an
let
option
me.
of not letting you.
तो बोल दे फिर मैं भूल जाऊंगी फिर मैं piss हो जाऊंगी
1000
तुझसे.
thoughts.
Can I please just finish
Say it,
it
say it,
before
Finish
I
it,
forget?
finish it.
Thank you. What was I saying?
It
I
happened
can't.
again.
If you keep cutting it, guys, I won't be able to do
Arre,
this.
what
I'm
did I
sorry.
say?
She's about to cry.
I know. I'm just. You can't have
You
me
why
talk
you were
if I
supporting
can't
so
remember
many
what I'm saying.
drivers.
Yeah.
One second.
You were giving us a point as to yesterday. How did you watch the race by supporting different drivers?
Yeah, it's not important. Fuck it. Move on.
Yeah.
Yeah, move on.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
ठीक है. अरे बोल ले.
अबे भूल गई मैं. Fuck it now.
अरे but you were
Aw.
saying
मैं
something
भूल
ना
गई.
how
Fuck
you
it,
watched
fuck
it.
Fuck it. Fuck it. I don't want to have a chat about that.
Why?
Oh shit.
कौन मर गया?
Is it like an interesting fact that you've seen?
No. I'm just I was just touching on the fact that I think it's more fun if there are like different people winning because it just adds, and I mean it adds the excitement. Yes, I am a McLaren fan. I would love to see McLaren winning the constructors and winning the championship and one of the teams, but it's always fun. Like there will never be another season like 2021. Why? Because there is something fiery about rivalry, especially in motorsports. And if there and now also, even if McLaren keeps winning, we will still see rivalry between the McLaren drivers. We will definitely see a Rosberg Hamilton kind of a vibe, and it is slowly going to that, because even in like qualifying, if you remember, Lando was very cheeky trying to take a toe from Oscar, and the moment Oscar realized, he stopped on the side. He stopped. He was like, "Fuck you, many dera." So it is slowly brewing. Sports brewing.
Mil gaya.
It is slowly brewing, but we will see that. But I would still want, like, say a Max and even a Russell to be a part of the contention, because it'll be it'll be a lot more fun to watch. But at the end of the day, McLaren ही लेके जाए.
I also think that there's still time. It's
There's
hardly
a lot
been
of
what,
time.
like 7, 8.
Only
9 races.
one
Nine races. Yeah, eight.
Eight
I
or
think.
nine.
one
Eight or nine.
third of the of the
So I think
leg
people
is
will
done.
come. I think at least maybe
See,
Charles,
Summer break
maybe
के बाद Charles not
Russell,
coming.
maybe
Yeah,
at least
let
he
him
finished-
come, no,
he finished
yeah.
P3
Arey,
yesterday.
but the thing is, if you can see from a person's mentality, they know, these guys know better about what's happening in their team
Which
than
is
we
true,
do.
which is
And if
true.
they are so these are drivers who are in a competitive sport, and if they are not feeling competitive, there has to be something wrong with the teams that they are not being able to show because of contractual reasons. So there is definitely something wrong in Ferrari that they might not be able to. They have told this, that we have accepted the fact that 2025 is not our year. We are not going to get better than this.
But maybe things.
but
change,
they're
maybe
still-
ये delusion
something will
वाली
come.
बात
But
है
they're
तो हाँ,
still
maybe I'll be
consistently
president one day.
performing. But they're still consistently performing. What they are right there.
The reason Charles was P3, acha, no, he overtook. Sorry, my bad. Okay, but
There is potential.
I am saying potential, but not potential enough to
It might
get
not
wins.
be number one.
I just
मैं
feel
wins की बात
over
कर रही
time,
हूँ.
over
P2,
time we
P3
have
के लिए
like-
तो बहुत है.
P3 तक तो पहुंच सकते हैं यार.
But P3 is not where the fight is at, na, sweetheart. The
But
fight.
see
for
the
Ferrari
way,
this year,
for Ferrari this year, if they get even one of their
That's
drivers
what
to
I'm
P3,
saying. When I'm saying, when I talk about the top fight, I don't see Ferrari in there. That's all I'm saying. I still see Mercedes. I still see Max, not Red Bull, Max, and I still see McLaren. I just don't
also
see
not saying
Ferrari.
Ferrari, I was saying
You
Charles.
know what? I think. Oh my God, I'm gonna get so much hate for this, but the people who I think are going to actually compete with Ferrari after the summer break is going to be
Williams. I know you'd say that.
It is going to be Williams.
Carlos.
Williams and Ferrari. And which brings me to my next point. Williams को नज़र लग गई है मेरी. Sorry Williams, मैं कभी नहीं बोलूँगी तुमने अच्छा किया था. Since the last 4-5 podcasts we've been talking about, wow, Williams ने kill कर दिया, Williams ने kill कर दिया, and कल Williams ने hug ही दिया है.
I think it's just a bad weekend.
yeah, man.
I just think they'll get over it.
Sorry for putting my nazar on you, Williams. I'm really sorry. I will not say that you're great because this
No,
weekend
they
you were
are, they
anyways
are. I
kind
think
of
we
shit.
should stick to that.
But I
at
feel
least I'll stick to
after
that.
this break in the Canadian Grand Prix onwards, I feel Williams is going to come back much stronger, and Ferrari's main contender this year is going to be Williams. Yes, hate me. But yeah, I think that's what this is.
Hulkenberg?
Hulkenberg!
I think he's the last guy we should like.
Nico Hulkenberg.
And
Do you
then
know
we're
who
good to
this
go.
is?
That man.
Do you know who this is? Who does this?
Yeah,
wait,
yeah.
wait. Who is
Daniel
it?
Ricciardo.
Yes! Talent को मैंने nerd बना ही दिया. Love that. But yeah, I feel क्या था हमारा? Oh, तुम लैपटॉप बंद कर दिया? खत्म हो गया हमारा?
Those are our points. Nico is the last. Feel very sad that he overtook Hamilton, but yeah, I'm happy for him also.
Yeah.
Hamilton की
अच्छा-
गाड़ी
अच्छा-
नहीं
अच्छे से
चल
किया
रही थी,
उसने.
guys.
All these mid-carders need
Yeah,
their...
need. And you
shining
always love an
moments.
underdog story, man. He's been there since a long time.
And Nico's never
The
had a
fact
podium,
that
man.
Towards the end, after the safety car, he's taken over Hamilton. It's
You know, Nico's never had a podium.
I think Hamilton
in
was
Formula
crying
One.
for that. He's like, I let my guard down and this happened.
And it was such an easy overtake as well.
Yeah, that's what I think
Also,
was
I feel,
struggling.
no. Wow. See, show the number. Guys,
What is it?
see the number. It's 1644.
So,
Hamilton.
1644. Charles and Hamilton, yaar.
acha.
It's Ferrari numbers.
For a minute, I was like,
Yeah. Dikha do.
So, Nico. Yeah, also I feel.
Will Hajar ever get a podium this season?
Yes, I think he will.
Will he get?
Yeah,
Difficult.
ऐसे कोई random races नहीं होते where all of a sudden all the four
Everything
people in the
turns
front
around.
have like fucked
Yeah.
up. The moment
It
the top
depends on
four
also where
ruins
the race is happening. Na? Do we have any track like
Spa. Spa में पता क्या होगा? I am very excited because Spa में पता क्या होगा? Spa में होगा कि Oscar is not that good in rain. Okay, Lando gets very annoyed in rain, but now he's still better. George, Lando, Max, these three people are very good with wet tracks with
Yeah.
that?
rain.
What about Hamilton? Come on.
Bro, I am sorry to say, but
No,
not
it's-
anymore, my
I'm
friend.
I'm just saying it's a statement, so you need to add him there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
He's
not
good in the
anymore.
rain.
In a Ferrari Hamilton, I'm not sure.
No, I think he'll be back, bro. In the rains, though, Hamilton is
बेचारा
Hamilton.
कितना बुरा लगता होगा ना हर रोज
I
बैठ
just want
के.
a Isaac Hajar, Kimi Antonelli, and
Ollie
Oliver
Bearman.
Bearman podium. Just give me one of those, I'll be very happy.
Yeah, it'd be great.
If
But
if
I
you
think
if
Hazard
I think
might
I
get
think in those three, na, you will have a Kimi Antonelli get a podium first.
He
first,
already
yeah.
got one, no?
No.
No,
3 mila no usko.
Kimi ko.
He got a P3.
He no. He
He got
started on pole.
qualifying,
He
fastest
started
pole
on
he
pole,
got. He
that's
didn't
it.
finish P3, no? He's
No,
not yet
he's
gotten
never
one.
gotten a podium.
No.
But I
Lucky.
think out of the rookies, if anybody who has the
Chances.
chances and the car to get a podium, it is Kimi.
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 Yeah.
Kimi
First
followed
Kimi,
by Hazard.
then
And if we have a race like
Hajar.
Spa where half of the people just
Spin
twirl
out.
and everything, then I think Hajar might get a
yeah.
podium.
First Kimi, then Hajar,
Yeah.
and then I. No.
Bearman तो नहीं
Bearman.
होगा.
Bearman
नहीं
अभी
होगा.
in a Haas तो
His
मुश्किल
car
है
is
यार.
very
Yeah.
average.
Law.
और
Initially,
कौन
he was very
Lawson,
promising. The
he
way
was
he
very
was,
promising.
yeah.
when he did
Lawson
those
भाई
Interviews and all
Can I
also when he
please
did.
take a 2 minute for Lawson.
हाँ?
वो हर बार आके बम्पी कार्स क्यों खेलता है भाई? Every time
I thought
Lawson
you said 2
comes.
minutes. You'll keep quiet.
No. I will never keep quiet. Bro, that guy just fucking dives like there is no tomorrow. Like he did some really good dives yesterday.
Yeah,
But
lunges
he please.
He was.
He plays Mario Kart यार.
नहीं, that was Max yesterday.
नहीं वो तो
In the
एक ही
words
बार.
of Lando
No,
Norris.
generally also every race
Lawson
I
is-
remember
yeah.
like focusing on Lawson. उसने एक ना एक बंदे को touch किया ही है. He's a very touchy driver.
He was recently on one. He was on a podcast recently, and I was just trying to read him. I feel he's trying too hard now to try and prove a point saying
कि
that
मैं worthy हूँ
yeah,
यहाँ पे.
like I'm
Bro,
worthy and
pressure
Red
तो
Bull
होगा
should,
ना यार.
no, but I think he has to be more free now. He has to forget about the fact that he had a seat and he has to just try and be
See,
comfortable in
Still
what he
has
is.
a seat is the more
Yeah.
Guys,
important
what
thing
we
at this
forget
point of
is
time.
I think
And
he's
a better
trying
car.
hard that
And
I
a
want to
better
get
car.
back this season only. I think that's in his mind right now. He's trying to be
But I
too-
don't know.
Guys,
I
what
mean,
we
like,
also forget
pushing
is
it.
these are 20, 21-year-old
Yeah.
kids, yeah,
And
and you
younger
they are
also.
under
Which is
so
fair,
much
which is fair.
pressure. They have been given you have been given the best seat in the world, and that's been taken away from you.
The fastest,
Like I cry
fastest.
so much when I don't get an audition. Like if it's something I really wanted, and I am old. He's 21, 22. Like for them, these and in that's a much bigger thing. Like a seat in a Red Bull out of all the other seats, which are anyways 20 in the world, it's a big thing. It's not easy to go over get over something like that. Even when Yuki did not get the Red Bull seat first, you
Everybody
could
was
see,
very,
yeah,
yeah.
because Red Bull, no matter where they are right now, what they are doing right now, what the car is, doesn't matter. Red Bull is an iconic team
Yeah.
right now. Red Bull, McLaren, Ferrari. These three are iconic teams. If these three people call you, even Mercedes, sorry.
It
if
was
the-
Red Bull, Ferrari,
if these-
Mercedes for the longest
If
time.
these 4 people call you, you will
Show
go.
up.
You
Yeah.
will show up because it is like they are the epitome of where you should be.
Motorsports,
All
racing
these
is.
people want to be on these teams, and he's 22. He got so much hate. His family got so much hate. We are spectators, and this is for all of us. Like we sometimes get so into it that we forget that these are human beings who are young and they are already under so much pressure. And we just don't give it enough power because we think that we know more than them. Guys, we don't know more than them. Like yesterday while watching, I realized that the amount of practice, the amount of hours you must have spent inside a car to tell that your tires are graining by sitting inside the car. Like these are little things that we will never think about.
Yeah.
That my गाड़ी से ना tires मेरे left right मेरा front left tire is feeling a little different. Can you imagine the amount of hours that have gone into this? Like for us, it's only something we watch in the weekend. For them, it's something they've given their whole life to. It's a much bigger deal for them than it is for us. Yes, we are passionate fans, But that's what we are at the end of the day. We are fans. We haven't been in their shoes. We haven't done the journey. It's very easy for us to sit here and judge and hate and love what they're doing. But we should not forget about the fact that these are human beings and these are kids. These are young people who are trying to realize their dream that they have had since they were like 5 or 6. So a little more mindful about the hatred, a little more mindful about what we think, what we say, what we talk about these people. I know it's big coming from me because I was joking about Stroll, but I don't think he wants to be there anyway. So I mean, yeah, that's
She
okay.
sells at it.
But yeah, I feel like that's just like a little thing to maybe like think about. I'm not saying I'm not trying to preach here, but it's just something I realized yesterday, and I thought since I have a podcast here, I have a stage where I can actually. We are kind of trying to make a community, so let's not build it on shading on other people. Yes, put your thoughts out. We always put our thoughts out every weekend, but a little more mindfulness would be better.
उल्केश इसका एक कट मारते हैं. On a lighter note, we also do.
Lighter note would be how Red Bull became like in the beginning it was like, oh shit, Sonoda didn't get a seat. How did Lawson get a seat? By the end of it is like, oh shit, Hajar's performing well. He'll get a seat at Red Bull now.
So the amount of memes I've seen of Hajar just putting the phone down every time Red Bull calls. It's so funny, dude. It's hilarious. Like I am scared for Hajar. I am scared
Yeah, like
that
he's performing a little too well.
He's performing so well, Hajar. They're gonna be like, you come to us. They're like, no. Even like Horner was like, he's the best rookie. I'm like, Horner, please don't come after my man. Like not my man, like my boy, bro. He's our boy this season.
Who's your
man.
current man in the race? Like
Dude, it's very
last
hard,
year was
man.
Norris. This year is who?
She's
Is it
been
Mo-
swaying
I'm
between three.
always
Who's your
Max
boy?
Norris.
But who's your boy if you had to pick one right now?
Oh fuck me.
I mean, yes, who you would say that to maybe?
No. That attraction wise you're saying or what?
Always.
Or
like you want an all round, no? You're not a one track.
no, but I'm not looking to fuck these guys. Like it's a little
She's blushing.
You're
She's
looking for them to fuck
dream
you.
है ये थोड़ा और also नहीं.
Okay, pick one. No.
Max का तो बच्चा हो गया.
Pick one overall.
See, driving wise,
Max. Driving wise तो जाएगा तो Max ही होगा ना. But who's your heart set on?
yeah,
are
that's
you
what I
still
was
waiting
getting
for
at
that
that
Norris
time when you
DM?
fucking cut me. It's so hard to like find a
Rona was straight
favorite.
answer only.
बता रही हूँ ना. Yesterday, like I still can't choose between Max and Norris. Like yesterday, in one lap, I would be like, Norris,
no
overtake him, and then
Charles
the other
नहीं
lap, I would be like, Max overtaking over. So it's very hard. Like I will be happy with both Max or Norris, but to be very honest, right now at this point in my time, I feel Max
He's your boy.
deserves more of my support.
Because what he's being able
because
to do
Norris
with
ने
that
कल भी
car.
fuck कर दिया यार. And yeah, what he's
क्या
doing
किया
with
उसने
that
Norris?
car.
Norris was
Dude,
good
in the
yesterday.
beginning only he gave that position to Max. Like his start was so bad.
Yeah.
He did such a bad start
I
in
think
the
Norris
beginning.
has lost a little bit of his fire from last year. I don't know what's up with him.
Yeah,
think he's under the pump.
He's also not happy. Like until last to last races, he was also not very comfortable with the car. But then he went and won Monaco. And also right now, I feel he's just scared about like Piastri का scene है यार. Piastri's a fuck.
Yeah, now it's
crazy
proper
driver.
rivalry na
Yeah,
between
yeah.
They're
them.
not rivals. That's the thing, right? They're pretty chill with each other right now.
नहीं,
I think
it's
that's
a
just
PR है
off
भाई.
track.
कोई
I think
बंदा
on the
तुम्हारा
track,
सपना लेके जा रहा है.
Lando wants to win,
Yeah,
and
everybody wants
Piastri
to
also
win.
wants
But
to win.
Lando looks like he's sad because Piastri is outperforming him, but at the same time, he doesn't have any bad blood with Piastri.
Baba,
yeah.
who has bad
That
blood?
is true. No
See,
one has a bad blood.
bad
It's
blood is
just
a
that
very
he's not
heavy
able
thing.
to beat
Ha, I
Piastri.
mean-
And Norris being Norris, he's not a person who blames the
Like-
outside of it. He blames him.
The
his
inside
own
of
self.
him, right?
So right now, but after Monaco, I feel उसको थोड़ा सा तो आया होगा. Like he must have gotten
Which
that
he
pump.
said, yeah, which he
Yeah.
said at
And
the end of Monaco.
He will come back. I know he will. And
But-
I can't choose, guys. I'm sorry, it's Lando
How?
and Max for
Okay,
me,
okay,
yaar.
okay.
But if you ask me as a team, who's my favorite team? It will still be McLaren. McLaren above anybody else. But right now, Piastri जीते, Norris जीते, Max जीते, for me is the same thing. I
feel like there's more rivalry between
Max and
Charles and Hamilton than there is between Piastri and Norris.
Oh, you want to take the Charles Hamilton thing? You take it. I'm not making any comments on that.
I don't know
No,
if
no,
it
no, no,
is-
no, no, no. बता ना क्या कह रहा है. Let's have the last. He wants to have the Charles and Hamilton chat.
I'm not walking into any of this,
No,
but
no,
I just
talk
feel
now.
like
You're already there. Tell us about the Charles and Hamilton rivalry. What do you think?
I just-
Who do you think is better?
You be careful.
We have already fallen on this track. So, yeah, who do you think
we've
is
had our
better?
share.
Oh, so you're leading this new goat to the
Who do you
slaughter.
think is going to outperform the other by the end of the season? Oh,
When
that's
you
a good
answer,
question.
you're either saving us or you're either coming with us.
Yeah. No,
See,
no,
I
no.
think
We can't
this
be saved.
season-
We are getting fucked from both ways. So you save yourself.
This season for sure it's Charles's season. Like Hamilton is not coming to the top for sure. Charles is taking the season. At least he's gonna
Hamilton
finish.
fans, you have a new target.
No, I love
सारा hate इसको
Sir
दे दो.
Lewis
सारा hate
Hamilton.
मुझसे लेके इसको.
But this season, Charles obviously is more familiar with the car, so he's
Yeah.
definitely going to finish
That's what
higher.
even I said. But then people
But,
were very
I
excited
don't know.
about
I mean,
it.
we get the legendary status, we get the knighthood, we get the 7, 8 time champion, however you want to put it.
Yeah.
But love what you've done, sir.
I just want to say, अगर इसको इस बार में hate नहीं मिला, मैं तुम सबकी
क्यों भाई?
because मैंने say
But
I guess
मेरी
you
इतनी
probably,
लगी
you
है.
probably
I
said
think-
it earlier on in the season.
I think it's the way last week only she said. But it's the way he's saying it.
People shat on us and how, man, which is great because I keep asking you to shit on us. So thanks,
Yeah.
guys.
She said
It's
it
great.
plainly, like guys,
Yeah.
shit on us, and they shat. It's okay.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Yeah,
Don't do
man.
it again.
Charles is
Just some of
being
them were like,
consistent.
thoda
Hamilton's
sa
being
extra.
consistent. Like
Huh?
at the start of the season, only Charles and Hamilton have been consistently in that 4 to 7 wala slot, and
Yeah.
Charles has always been
But
ahead.
it's only
Hamilton-
fair, yeah, because Hamilton will take some time
Exactly.
to get into the Ferrari.
Like it's nothing
That
to
does
say
not
with
mean-
Hamilton's driving. It's not going on to Hamilton's driving at this point of time. It's अरे यार क्यों मार रही है?
नहीं 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 मुझे कुछ याद आया बता
हाँ तो
बता.
बोल दे बोल.
Dude, but
I think you had a very interesting point.
go on.
I had a point.
Yeah, you were saying
you?
something. Na? It's not about Hamilton's driving.
Yeah, it's not about Hamilton's driving. It's just
just
about
the-
his comfort
yeah.
with the car and
Yeah.
the team. The
And
team
even his
itself doesn't have comfort
fucking-
with its own car.
Yeah.
Like I think Ferrari's team guys don't know what they're doing themselves. They are also like इधर हाथ मारते देखते क्या होता है, इधर मार के देखते क्या
But
होता
you know
है.
what? I feel like last year they were better.
But I think with
But that was because there
No,
was
Fred was
Carlos
also
and
there.
Charles were
And they were
in
there for
this,
two
like and
seasons,
Carlos
no?
and Charles had this thing where they knew who was 1 and 2.
अरे but 1 and 2 का कोई relation नहीं है
It
यार.
is no, dude. I feel like in these races, Charles and Lewis both bully their team engineers. They're like,
No,
let him
they
pass,
are
let
just
him pass, let
pissed
him
now.
pass.
They are just pissed because these engineers don't know what they're doing.
Arey,
Yeah.
but they are literally commanding the team to say like, hey, tell him to let me pass, tell him to let me pass. I have pace, I have pace.
Drivers करते हैं यार.
Bro, no,
If you're
I've
on-
not seen any team radio be that dominated
Adamant.
and bullied
That's
by
also-
the
but
drivers.
I'll tell you why also why they are stronger
Like, it almost
with their
feels like-
क्या कहते हैं
race engineer.
engineers than others is because
They feel like they know more than
Ferrari
them.
no Ferrari सुनता नहीं है bro. Like I remember I have flashbacks.
You think there is a language barrier?
No, I have flashbacks of when Leclerc was told that we are pitting you on mediums and they gave him hards like multiple like the amount of time it happens कि अब मेरे दिमाग में छप गया है वो. So they know that for your engineer to actually fucking give a fuck about what you're saying, you have to be more
Pushy.
more like more strict. Yes, more strict about it. Like more, you have to put more strain on what you're saying. Otherwise, ये रेस इंजन sorry इतने बेवकूफ हैं.
मुझे क्यों sorry बोला? मैं नहीं हूँ race
इतने
engineer.
बेवकूफ हैं, it just doesn't fucking work. But yeah, I will just continue my point. At the risk of being hated by you all again,
She secretly likes it. Do it again.
I'm very eager to hear what
but
she's saying.
I'm sorry, but I don't think Hamilton can win his 8th championship anymore.
Ever or
Any
this
more?
year?
Ever.
ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा.
नहीं,
मारो
Ferrari,
इसकी.
I don't see Ferrari being a world champion at least in the next 3 to 4 years.
We don't know what's gonna happen next
See,
year.
bro. I
Because
genuinely
next year,
feel Hamilton
anything
has
can
it in
be
him.
turned on its head.
It's just that this
Yeah,
is not his time. This is not his period right now, and I think any driver
That
can
8th
have that.
championship मुश्किल है because you know
मुश्किल
why?
तो नहीं.
I'll tell you why.
Let me tell you,
मेरे को लगा उसका
9th
peak चला
championship
गया.
मुश्किल है.
I'll tell you
8th
why.
इसके पास है already.
I'll tell you 8th क्यों मुश्किल है. Now we have a lot more teams in front, a lot more drivers in front who are really killing it. We have an Oscar Piastri, we have Lando Norris, we have Max Verstappen. We also have newer talents like Kimi Antonelli, Isaac Ajawa, who's slowly climbing up the ranks. There are a lot more drivers right now with cars. इससे पहले, I'm not saying, okay, I am not saying,
saying Hamilton's
that
past his peak?
Hamilton won all his championship because of a fast car. I'm not saying that. But what I am saying is, at that time when Hamilton won his championship, Mercedes did have a little bit of an advantage when it came to pace. ऐसे बात करनी चाहिए मुझे, हाँ, ताकि कोई मुझे गाली ना दे. They did have a big advantage when it came to pace, and they did have an advantage when it came to like the other teams. But now that gap has slowly diminished, and now Ferrari is nowhere close to being the faster driver, like faster car. Ferrari is not there, and I don't think in the next 2 years also that will change. I don't know why. I just feel like it just is not working, because it's not like they are hiring anyone new. They keep trying to work. They keep trying to work with the same team, thinking they're gonna bring a different result.
But the other teams have also started screwing up, no? Like yesterday, what Red Bull did with Max is exactly something you would expect out of a Ferrari.
Yeah, definitely.
So if they are not rising up to the occasion, there are others joining them down
no,
there.
but okay, but I know for a fact.
And also to add to that, what I also feel is, at least in the next 2 years, if something doesn't happen for Lewis,
Hamilton will leave.
then maybe we'll see.
Yeah.
Then maybe you can make that statement saying that he'll never win.
No,
but I think
because,
right now he's not
Ferrari
someone.
is not it, guys. Ferrari is not
हाँ,
it.
ठीक है,
We
ठीक
have
है. So
better
say,
teams
for example,
right now who are literally getting better and better every season.
if he goes to an Aston Martin, say in the next
Hamilton.
2 years, if that happens,
Yeah,
say
if-
maybe.
Lando is definitely not winning.
I'm just saying. In
I don't
case.
think
I
he's
feel
going to
right
switch now. Now
the
he'll retire at Ferrari.
He's
Ferrari?
mentioned also that I am going to Ferrari because this is where I want to end my career.
End the career. It'll be a retirement stint
And
now.
he
So then he's
went-
winning for
He
sure,
went to
though.
Ferrari
He's
to
winning
end
at
his,
least one.
he went to Ferrari to end his career, and Ferrari kind of ended his career, so it kind of makes sense.
इस पे तो shade मिलना ही चाहिए भाई.
Hulkenberg repeats.
Nah.
What
Difficult.
happened yesterday? How did he
अब वो
Safety exit is there, right? So I think when the race started, he went ahead. There was something that happened between Pierre and I think Albon, all of these guys here.
And the race
He went
towards
through the
in-
safety exit, and when he joined in, he was already in the
5 spots ahead?
Did Gasly finish in points yesterday?
Yeah.
Dude, Gasly also drove really well yesterday then, because he started so behind. I forgot about that, and so did Sonoda. Sonoda started P20,
There was a
and he
lot
was
of-
what, P11, P12?
Yeah, but
Not
that
bad.
mix-up what happened in the start, I think. after that
Little,
things
but
picked up.
just
But
like
also there were a
little.
lot of mid-card fights yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah,
lot of
yesterday was
mid-card
fun.
fights, and even when they were overlapping them, the fights didn't stop. They
Yeah.
continued to
The
fight
best
through
one
that.
was when those two were fighting, Yuki and one more fighting, and they didn't know
Lawson.
Max was behind. Max and Lando were behind.
I think it was.
Fucking idiots!
Yeah.
Guys, what are you saying?
No, I said it was in fact a nice thing for him, right? For Max.
No.
They
It
No?
is the only person who benefited from that was, you know who? Piastri. Because he increased the gap.
increased because they cleared out for
Lando
him.
and
but
Max?
also
Nah.
if he didn't cut, if they were right in front of him, right, he wouldn't be able to get close to Lando because those guys were there, and then they realized that, oh, okay, Max is there. He then squeezed through them, and then he went closer to
they
Lando.
both, Norris and Max both got affected by
Yeah.
this fighting
Yeah.
because they didn't stop for either of them. In fact, there was one point where this other guy went out and came in from the safety exit, and Norris
Yeah,
was
Max,
broke up.
Yeah.
Like, kya ho raha hai, bro?
Yeah.
Like, so
I was saying we should do that segment as to what do you guys feel will happen in the next race. This is something that we do where you can guess as to what's going to happen in the next race. Now it can be right, it can be wrong, and then we'll see the week after.
speculation.
Acha, chal. Who's P1? Who's P1? Canadian Grand Prix. What do we know about the Canadian Grand Prix?
Nothing.
It's a circuit. It's not a street track.
Maple syrup.
any past history?
Red flags.
Who won last year?
Google karo bhai.
नहीं,
Max.
रुक जा. नहीं, not Max.
There has to be Lando or Piastri.
Lando or Charles
I don't remember.
or Hamilton only won Silverstone. Who won? Lando or Charles? Not Max.
Verstappen, Norris, Russell.
Max won Canada?
Apparently. Canadian GP,
But
9 June
Canadian G was
2024.
middle of the season. Oh, last year's
It was a wet
calendar
race.
alag tha.
Verstappen, Norris, Russell, Hamilton, Piastri, Alonso, Stroll,
ठीक है.
Ricardo,
कुछ टिक 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 टिक
Gasly,
Yeah,
टिक
Lando
टिक टिक
second.
टिक टिक
Bro.
5 मिनट ही है वो, छोड़.
नहीं हो गया इसके पास
मेरा
वो अभी
कैमरा
है
चेंज
अभी
हुआ है,
स्टोर
तेरा
आ
नहीं.
गया
तू बता P1 कौन होगा तेरा इस साल का?
इस साल का इन कैनेडियन जीपी
Is it going to be a
who's
wet
home
race?
driver
Lance Stroll.
sorry he's out for a stroll Will he even come back to race next?
I really hope Djokovic comes in and not him.
1, 2, 3. I think is going to be a very.
Still one ball. Up to you if you want to take a 2-3.
So you
मैं
can
सिर्फ
make
one ball
any
हूँ.
statement.
Yeah, you can make
Doesn't have to
anything.
be-
कुछ भी हो सकता
Yeah.
है.
I think
कि ये
Norris
थूक
will take
जाएगा.
Canadian.
Norris will take Canadian.
Not want to shake her. I want Piastri to take it, but I think Norris will take it.
Okay. You, Stalin. Who do you think wins?
I think Lewis Hamilton will get in the top 4.
I love it.
Who's gonna tell him?
Don't tell me. Don't tell me. I don't want to
Hamilton
listen.
Hamilton will show him.
तुझे तो Hamilton ही बताएगा.
Chalega. We'll see. Top 4 I said.
My P1 for Canadian GP has to be Max Verstappen because Mad Max is back and when he's mad तुम किसी का बाप नहीं उखाड़ सकता उसका कुछ. And I know कल रात को at least 2 or 3 people from the Red Bull team have been fired. So I mean has to be Max. Max is winning the
He won.
Canadian Grand Prix.
He'll be in the
He
podium.
will win the Grand Prix. 120%.
Yeah.
क्या edit
इस
होगा
पे जो
इसका?
meme बनेगा ना.
Okay. Another wild prediction. I would say.
I
that has
also
to
think
be-
Piastri will win.
तूने अभी कुछ और बोला. अच्छा.
अरे, I'm
you
just-
said Hamilton P4 and
I said
Piastri.
Hamilton in the
Piastri,
top 4.
Norris, Max.
Top 4.
Okay.
And Piastri P1.
इनमें से कुछ भी सही हो जाए मैं खुश हूँ. My other wild prediction is there has to be at least 2 people
Spinning
who are
out.
going to collide.
Oh, I thought 2 safety cars. ठीक है.
2 safety cars Canadian Grand Prix हो सकता है but I think most 2 लोग तो ठुकेंगे ही ठुकेंगे at
But
least.
that too you just.
अलग अलग.
But that too you just
नहीं,
have
not
to
with
leave.
each other.
हाँ, no, but you just leave Lawson on the field हो जाएगा.
Actually true.
He's there, no?
I think 2 collisions, 1 yellow flag, 1 red flag. Wow, if you're being wild, let's just be wild.
Two yellow flag.
No, two collisions,
And
1 yellow flag, 1 red flag,
Okay.
and Max P1 and McLaren the other 2 sides of the podium.
You know,
ठीक
like you were talking about Leclerc after the race. He was like, "We don't know next week क्या होगा." Like I'm literally feeling the same thing. Like I want to say Leclerc will be on the
फट रही है ना?
podium, but I'm like, anything can happen. Like they might just go back to being 5 and 7 again.
Yeah.
Like it's
Highly
like
Especially
possible.
with especially with
Highly
Williams.
possible.
Oh, I have another one. Williams top 5 again.
Yeah, I was going to say my third one was Albon.
Albon top 5.
Albon top 5.
Yeah,
Not
have to be.
science.
Science will take some time.
Science is having
Maybe
the
one
same
more
issue
race.
that Hamilton is, you know.
Yeah, maybe
new
two,
car,
in
new car.
2 or 3 more races maybe, and then we'll see.
Yeah,
Probably
yeah,
science.
yeah,
Until he gets into the top 8.
I don't know. It was just a lot of like
बहुत hassle था,
Alonso
कल
did
मजा आ
some.
गया.
Alonso had a
तो अपना
good.
prediction बता अगले हफ्ते का.
Okay, we're going back to that.
Yeah, because we have to
present
finish
tense.
it still, na? It's
Okay. Leclerc Hamilton take back their 5 and 7.
Not bad.
And Russell takes back his P3.
yeah, Russell on podium.
Something spicy. Something
Yeah, give
spicy.
Something
It has to be wild.
spicy.
कुछ wild बताना कि Lawson मेरे सर
Max
क्यों बचा
spins out of frustration because while he can drive, the car is not going to keep up with him.
Max is not going anywhere. You know where he's going? To a top step
Home.
of the podium. That to he will after he
See,
after he does the
he
champagne
said say
shower.
something spicy.
I'm
I
kidding.
said the most
नहीं नहीं fair
unlikeliest
enough, fair
thing.
enough, fair enough, fair
Like
enough.
he's
इसमें एडिट करने में मजा आएगा जब मैं बोलूंगी जीत गया और तुम नीचे दिखाओगे ना कि मैक्स जीत गया और ये बोलेगा स्पिन कर रहा है मैं
and
बोलूंगी
if he spins out,
if Max doesn't spin na can you please put this when you are putting his face
No, we can't put that.
okay never mind I tried but yeah I think we've covered most of it it was
Yeah.
like
I don't think Max can ever spin out. No, has he?
No, no.
Yeah,
has.
even I was thinking, I don't think so.
Don't
He's
like
so
that. I'm
stable,
saying
man.
it
That
with
guy
those
is so
beliefs.
do
stable
you
and
remember
calm
his
and controlled.
fully 360 turn like
that
GP is
continues.
like what's going on they I was just warming my tires bro fuck
Like,
hell
that
I
man's-
love him I love Max Verstappen guys
Like
It's
if
too
ever
bad.
anyone says video games are bad for you, they should just show them Max Verstappen.
yeah fuck that
Like he's literally a guy born out of simulators. Like that's all he does, I think.
I think that's all we also have done with today's episode. I think we've finished most of the things that we had to do, and
We've marinated around.
yeah, there's so much that happened, and I think we did touch upon everything that we had to, and now we also did our fun game
Special shout out
Is-
to Alonso.
And two.
and to Xerxes. Will we see
I
him
got
again?
Same mention as Alonso.
Will we see Xerxes again? Will we not? I think that's
I don't
based
think
more
so,
on
not
you.
anymore. With the way because like बहुत काटा मेरे को आज मेरे बहुत सारे statements हजारों thoughts मेरे
But
घूम
we
गए.
would love it if you can let us know in the comments below if you want Xerxes around because then maybe we can have him around more often and you can see him get more pissed because that's exactly what you want in the end of the day, don't you? No, these people. I'm talking to them. But yeah, I think we finished most of it. Let me know what you think about the race. I know there's so much that has happened. There's so much that's yet to happen in the Canadian GP. We have a break in the middle, but don't worry, we will still do an episode for you guys. And there's so much more that we have to talk about. Next week's episode is going to be very different because there's no race.
Yeah, what would
But
you
there's
talk
so
about
much
in that episode?
that for that you have to watch the next episode. Why don't you do that?
That's your promo.
So yeah, that's pretty much about it, guys. Let us know in the comments down below what was your favorite moment of the race and what was your least favorite moment of the race. And do you really think that Max was at fault? You know,
Definitely.
do you think?
Yeah, they
Not
do.
You. Do you think?
We know that.
Max
We know
was
that
at
you guys
fault?
think that.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you next weekend. And Stalin, you want to say something? Stalin's
Just-
like, fuck you, Himika. You've said too much.
Just
Okay.
let us know what was your favorite monologue from today's podcast by Hemika.
Thank you.
There were
guys.
quite a few emotional ones.
Thank
so
you.
please let us know your favorite.
Screenshot them, create those stickers and memes, and just DM
Guys,
it to
घर
her.
आके
Just don't put
पीटूंगी।
it anywhere. Just
घर
DM it
आके
to her.
पीटूंगी तुम्हें. चलो guys, see you guys.
Thank you guys. See you.
Bye.
See you. Bye.
Thank you for having
Thank
me.
you,
guys.
sir.
See you.
Appreciate it, man.